What's up guys, Warren James here. Also, some of you may know me as Prove It on Instagram. And today I'm gonna show you 10 exercises of pull-ups from level 1 all the way to level 10. And let's see how many of these you can do. So the first exercise, level 1, are jumping pull-ups. And what you're gonna wanna do is find a bar chin level, and you're gonna lift your feet off the ground and hold as long as you can. You're gonna work muscles eccentrically, and that's gonna help you build strength for your pull-up. Level 2 are pull-up holds. Same bar and same height. This time, instead of coming down, you're gonna stay above the bar as long as you can. Your goal is 5 to 7 seconds. Level 3 are pull-ups. Regular style pull-ups, up all the way, down all the way. Level 4 are pull-up knee tucks. Pull all the way up and bring your knees all the way to your chest, and that's 1 rep. Level 5 are called invisible box pull-ups. Similar to knee tucks, but instead of bringing your knees all the way down, they're gonna be at an upright position, keeping your core engaged and activated the entire time. It's gonna look like you're stepping on an invisible box while you do them. Level 6 are pull-up to L-sit. Similar like the knee tucks, you're gonna pull up and at the very top, raise your legs up to a L-sit and right back down. That's gonna be a heavier load on your core, and which makes the exercise a lot harder. Level 7 are pull-up L-sits. Instead of bringing your legs down at the bottom, you're gonna keep your L-sit the entire time, which keeps the core activated the entire movement. Level 8 are tuck pull-ups. You're gonna keep your body parallel with the ground and your knees pointed up. With that, you're gonna row to your belly button, which activates your lower lats, which makes the exercise a lot more difficult. Level 9 are inverted pull-ups. Similar to the last ones, and instead of keeping your legs at a tuck, you're gonna straighten your legs out, which keeps the load a lot heavier and activates your lats. Your lats will be on fire. And finally, at level 10, we're doing pull-up L-sits, but pull-ups to the hip. We're gonna pull all the way up to our belly button, which is the highest point you can do for a pull-up. So this is gonna be the hardest one, which is gonna require a lot more arms, back, and forearms to do this movement. There it is, guys. Levels 1 through 10 of the hardest pull-ups you can do. Let me know how far you made it. Comment, like, and subscribe to this channel for more content like this coming every Sunday. Keep your notifications on, and I'll see you next week.